Hi everyone! For this video, I will teach you how to convert a YouTube video into an mp3 music that you could listen to your device directly. So first step is look for the video that you would like to convert into an mp3 file. So I will be using this one. Just right click on the video, copy link address. Now search on Google YouTube mp3. Open this link, YTMP3 converter. So click on this link. Now paste the link here and then click download. Just close this redirected link, and then here you will see the available file or quality of the file that you would like to download. So let's select the highest quality mp3 file, which is 320 kilobytes. Now it is being downloaded. Just close the redirected page since it is an ad. Alright, wait for the download to finish, and it's done. Now let's check the downloaded file. Alright, here is the downloaded file. Let's try playing it. And there you have it. You have downloaded the YouTube video in an mp3 format. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.